we're going hiking in the woods. Oh yeah, so we aren't going to church today, even though it's Sunday, because my mom thinks she might be sick. And that's my mommy. And on the hike I wrote something.
There was a big bug.
And on the hike I wrote something. I wrote, on the hike I saw a clover shaped like a leaf, a tree branch touching the ground, leaves on the ground, a blackberry bush, a little path in open field, a pond, a bridge, vines, ferns, unicorn food, a big leaf. That's my sister. Her name is Caroline.
Hi.
So, what do you guys want to do? What do you want to know? Tell me on Instagram. And
Since when have you have an Instagram, girl?
my mom will tell you more about the woods. Here, Mama.
We're in the woods right now in Covington, Washington. Woo!
I have to say hi. I have to say hi.
We're enjoying God's beautiful creation.
Hi.
Peace out!